Is your Amazfit watch stuck on a black screen and refusing to wake up? Don't worry, because I have the 10 best solutions to bring your dead watch back to life right now. Welcome back to TechVibes. Usually, an Amazfit watch fails to turn on because the battery has fallen into a deep discharge state or the power button is stuck with debris. Let us fix this fast. Step 1 is to clean the charging contacts. Use a cotton swab with a tiny bit of rubbing alcohol to clean the gold pins on the back of the watch and the charger. Even a small amount of sweat can block the electrical current completely. Step 2 is to perform a long press restart. Hold down the physical power button for at least 30 seconds. This forces the internal hardware to reboot even if the screen appears completely dead. Step 3 is to swap your power source. If you are using a wall brick, try plugging the USB into a computer or a laptop instead. Sometimes a lower voltage port can jumpstart a completely drained battery better than a fast charger. Step 4 is to check the charging cable for damage. Run your fingers along the wire to check for any sharp kinks or internal breaks. If the cable is frayed, your watch will never receive the power it needs to boot up. Step 5 is to leave it on the charger for 2 hours. If your battery hit 0% and stayed there for a few days, it might take 30 minutes just to show the charging icon. Be patient and let it sit. Step 6 is to inspect the power button. Gunk and dust can get trapped around the button and prevent it from making a connection. Use a soft toothbrush to gently clean around the edges of the button. Step 7 is to check for water damage. If you recently went swimming, moisture might be trapped inside the sensor housing. Let the watch sit in a warm, dry area for 24 hours before trying to power it on again. Step 8 is to try a different charging cradle. If you have a friend with an Amazfit or a spare cable, try it out. It might take 30 minutes just to show the charging icon. Be patient and let it sit. Step 9 is to use a low power adapter. Avoid using high wattage phone bricks. A standard 5-volt 1-amp charger is the safest way to provide steady power to your wearable device. Step 10 is to check the Zepp app on your phone. Sometimes the watch is actually on, but the screen is glitching. If the app shows the watch is connected and syncing, try changing the watch face to force the display to refresh. Here's a quick bonus tip for you. If your watch turns on but stays stuck on the logo, try holding the button while plugging it into power. This specific timing can sometimes bypass a software boot loop. If you face any difficulty with these steps, please leave a comment below. I will reply to your questions within 1 hour to help you out. If this video brought your watch back to life, please like, share, and subscribe to TechVibes. Your tech should always be ready when you are.